Hi everyone, and welcome to another ETMN tutorial. I'm Victoria Olson, and we are going to continue exploring early coding applications. So today we're going to be looking at another coding app on the iPad called Kodable. Now Kodable is really wonderful, really good starting primary app for coding, and it can be used at any level. I would especially recommend this for the younger kids, but this is a great starter app too when you're just introducing basic coding skills. So let's get started with Kodable today. All right, this is the main menu of Kodable, and as you can see, I am using a profile called Johnny, but on the right side you have a profile selection button where you can make or name new profiles. So we're going to get started, and what we're going to do is we are actually going to start just a basic level here, and at the bottom corner you're going to see the 1.4. That indicates what level we're on. So the purpose of this game is to move the little fuzz from the left side to the right side, and we're going to program him by using the arrows on the top right corner and dragging them in to the boxes on the left. So I'm just going to make this sequence to get the fuzz from the left side of the screen down and over to the right side. When I'm done my sequence, I'm done building it, I'm going to press play. Play will start moving the fuzz from the left side to the right side, collecting coins as you go. And at the top of the screen there with the stars, you get more stars for having a shorter solution. To get out of this menu, I'm going to press pause and I'm going to go to a different level. To do that, I'm going to click on the little hot dogs on the right side, and I'm going to take you to a different level so you guys can start learning not just about moving the ball or moving the fuzz from the left side to the right side, but using something called conditions. And I'm going to use, let's just do 2.8. So as you can see, this level is going to be a little bit more advanced, where we have to turn the fuzz before he reaches the corner at the bottom left. So what we're going to do that is we're going to move him over, we're going to send him down, but then he has to turn right. And instead of turning right down here at the bottom corner, we want him to turn right at the purple. This is called a condition, and I'm just going to show you what that condition can look like. See how he turned right at that purple box? That's how you would get him over to the other side. Now, of course, to finish this level, I'm going to retry. All of our things will stay, and you can see that that red indicator tells us we didn't have enough code for him to get to the other side. So I'm going to get him over to the other side by once again using arrows and then conditions to help him turn the right direction. Awesome. So next we're going to learn about loops. Loops are this third level, and we're going to be learning how we can use loops to repeat an action. So as you can see, the fastest way across this screen to get all of the coins is probably going down and to the right. So we need to use a loop to achieve this. And first I'm going to get the fuzz to go to the right, and then I'm going to use this loop button. After you see the loop button put in, you have options to drag more little arrows in below. So I can choose which boxes I put these in, and then I can also tell it how many times it needs to repeat. So I'm going to tell it that it needs to repeat 1, 2, 3 times. I'm going to press play, and off he goes. These loops are actually used in real coding and real computer science, and this is a great way to get kids started with looping. Last, we're going to be taking a look at something called functions. Now, functions in real code are something that you use over and over again. So it's kind of like looping, but you're using functions not always repetitively. So sometimes you'll have an action, and then you'll want to use a function to repeat that action again another time. In this case, what we're doing is we're getting the fuzz to go over. We use the function to represent something. So we can go down, over, up, and then we can have over. You'll see that little set of parentheses is acting as a function that is going to go on the right side of the screen through the code as our fuzz moves from the left to the right of the screen. That's all we have for the Kodable app today. Please make sure you tune in next time as we explore more early coding apps for elementary and early computer science students. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.